Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. has halted nearly $500 million in federal funding for mRNA vaccine projects. These primarily focus on respiratory viruses like COVID and the flu. On August 6th, RFK Jr. canceled 22 mRNA-based vaccine development contracts, amounting to approximately $500 million in funding. These efforts targeted pathogens such as COVID-19, influenza, bird flu, and other respiratory viruses. Among the disrupted projects was a Moderna bird flu vaccine contract, which was canceled in May and later confirmed by company spokespersons.
Many public health experts and scientists say they are stunned by Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr.'s latest decision to cancel nearly $500 million in federal funding for future vaccine development. The latest move comes after the Trump administration already withdrew a multi-million-dollar contract with the biotech company Moderna to develop a bird flu vaccine using what's known as mRNA technology. mRNA vaccines work by using a single strand of genetic code to create a fragment of a virus that sets off the body's immune response. The technology was central in the battle against COVID and can be developed more quickly than traditional vaccines. But anti-vaccine communities and skeptics don't trust its safety, and that includes Secretary Kennedy, who canceled more than 20 contracts.
Kennedy justified the cuts by stating that mRNA vaccines for upper respiratory infections do not provide sufficient protection and pose more risks than benefits, citing concerns about viral mutations rendering the vaccines ineffective. He announced a shift in strategy towards safer, broader vaccine platforms like whole virus vaccines. Public health experts and infectious disease specialists have expressed serious concerns, warning that cutting these programs could undermine pandemic preparedness and weaken U.S. biodefense. Former Surgeon General Jerome Adams described the move as dangerous, emphasizing the role of mRNA vaccines in combating COVID-19, the bird flu, and the flu. Science Media Center scientists stress that mRNA platforms are vital for rapidly responding to evolving pathogens and preventing future pandemics. According to the HHS, the funding shift applies specifically to mRNA vaccine development for respiratory diseases. Other mRNA research, such as potential applications in cancer immunotherapy, remains unaffected. If the proposal goes through, this would result in a slowdown in innovation. mRNA technology is being explored not just for COVID, but there's cross-experimentation for the flu, cancer, and even personalized medicine. A funding freeze could delay or derail this progress. It could shift the research to private or foreign investment. U.S. companies and researchers might seek funding from private sources or move operations to other countries with supportive policies, and this would weaken America's leadership in biotech. Let me know your thoughts.